Hey guys, it's Sean here. Got a little bit of a cough, I guess. Anyway, I was giving you a tip of the day. One thing you can do to check your colors, people always wonder, oh, how did we mix that color? And you keep mixing and mixing and you have no idea. Obviously, you have to start with really high quality student grade paints, artist quality paints, sorry, not student grade. The other stuff, the student and then the basic, they'll have a lot of chalk in them. And so for certain colors it's okay if they're kind of whitish, but otherwise you really won't get the true colors. So you really don't have the full range of the color. The second tip is, I just learned this myself yesterday, is if you're working from a photo, you can actually have that up on your computer screen. And if you have Photoshop, have that up in Photoshop, and then you can ink drop literally different areas and spot check what the color. It'll tell you, how much gray is in that, how much pure color it is, where it is on the color wheel, so you know which color to kind of start with and then blend down towards it. So that's a really, super hack, I would call it, because I've never used it, but I can imagine that would be super helpful in learning how to mix paint really fast and, get what you want. All right, good luck, guys.